So instead of our usual perennial pairings, we're going to up it to some perennial layerings using 8 or 9 different plants to show you what you can achieve in your garden. For our first perennial layering, we're going to deal with some hot colors, starting with the beautiful deep red Phygelius or Cape Fuchsia. Then we're going to add a Coreopsis Bengal tagger, and then a Daylily Happy Returns on the side. For the center, we're going to put in a bicolor Echinacea, a nice peach color Agastache, and a beautiful Gloriosa daisy flanked with some Miscanthus gold bar. Then we're going to finish it up with some Gaillardia in front and a little Agastache in pale yellow to balance out the yellows. And then we've got a beautiful hot color combination for your garden this summer. Our next layering will be cooler colors of pink and white, starting with a beautiful Foxglove, and then a lovely pink tinged calla lily, and a beautiful deep rose Astilbe, and that's our back row. In the center, another Phygelius in deep rose pink, a Digiplexus, which is like a hybrid foxglove, and a Dianthus. And then to finish things up out front, we have a dwarf phlox and a beautiful white salvia, so that you have everything you need for a beautiful cottage garden look. This is just a sampling of the beautiful perennial color we have on hand right now at Amsterdam Garden Center. So if you're looking for gardening ideas, you know where to go.